If you are considering visiting Disneyland Resort in California, you are definitely going to want to watch this video. While Disneyland does not require as much planning as Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, the app is important to download and to use while in the park. The purpose of this video is to help you plan for your upcoming trip as well as help you be efficient with your trip in order to maximize your experience. The Disneyland Resort app provides real-time updates for attraction wait times, mobile ordering, ride closures, park information, reservations, park tickets, and more. This video is going to be a tutorial and overview of the Disneyland app. First, you will need to register an account. You can do this on the website or once you download the app. Next, visit the App Store, search and download the Disneyland app. Now, the Disneyland app is completely free and it's available on both iOS and Android devices. Upon opening the app, you're going to see some setup preference options such as notifications and some of the different features of the Disneyland app. After you sign into the app, now would be a good time to link your park tickets if you already have them, or you can purchase the tickets via the app or the website when ready. Simply click the bottom right menu tab, click My Tickets and Passes. You're going to have the option there to buy the tickets, or you can link existing ticket reservations. It's very important that you do end up linking the park tickets and making a theme park reservation at that time as well. Now, you can access your tickets from this app and they can actually be scanned as your actual ticket to gain entry to the theme parks. Now, overall, the Disneyland app is broken up into 5 components at the bottom. We have the homepage, map access, the plus action tab, search feature, and a menu tab. The app homepage feed has shortcut tabs, park hours and show times, virtual queue, promotions, mobile ordering information, etc. This area of the app has a snapshot of many of the features that can be used on this app. Now, one of the main features of the app is the Lightning Lane and Disney Genie service. This can be very confusing and overwhelming as there are lots of different options, upcharges, and limitations. Lightning Lane is the FastPass system that Disneyland uses. Lightning Lane brings you a quicker and shorter line for certain attractions within an arrival time window. There are a couple different options of Lightning Lane: multi-pass Lightning Lane, single pass Lightning Lane, or the Premier Access Lightning Lane. Multi-pass allows guests to book multiple FastPass Lightning Lane experiences to eligible rides throughout the day. Basically, what you'll do is you'll pick an arrival time for a certain ride, then you can book another after your ride experience or 2 hours after booking. Each ride can only be done once, and the Lightning Lanes will book up for the popular rides, so there is a chance you could still not get on one of the rides you want to get on. There are many ways to book Lightning Lane using the app. This includes the home page, the plus icon, menu icon, and through the map. Now, each of these are shortcuts that will bring you to the tip board. The tip board is where you're going to actually make the Lightning Lane selection by clicking the next available time of the attraction you want. Here are the lists of eligible Lightning Lane multi-pass rides in Disneyland Resort. Note, Radiator Springs at Disney California Adventure and Rise of the Resistance in Disneyland are not offered with the multi-pass Lightning Lane option. Now, one of the perks of the Lightning Lane multi-pass is you get Disney Photo Pass included. This means you can find a Disney Photo Pass cast member all throughout the parks, and you can get professional pictures and you can download them right from the app. The Lightning Lane multi-pass currently costs between $32 to $36 per person per day on top of your park tickets. The other Lightning Lane option is the single pass. The Lightning Lane single pass option is only for the Radiator Springs Racers ride at DCA and Rise of the Resistance in Disneyland. This is a one-time purchase for one or both of those attractions. Now, costs vary by date, but can be between $17 and $28 per person. Again, this is only for one of the rides. Also, to add confusion, there is a Lightning Lane Premier option. This allows a one-time entry to all rides in both parks, including Rise of the Resistance and Radiator Springs. With the Premier option, you can ride whenever you want without booking an arrival time. Now, pricing for this is astronomical. It is between $300 and $400 per person per day on top of the park ticket cost. Now, you can purchase Lightning Lanes before your visit or on the day of your visit as well. It is best to plan out whether any of these options are worth it ahead of time. So next up is the Disney Genie Plus. Now, this is free and it helps you plan and manage your day in the parks. Basically, you put your personal attraction, entertainment, and dining preferences, and the Disney Genie will create an AI suggested plan of action. In addition, you can adjust the plan and tip board as needed. The Disney Genie tip board has recommended attractions or mobile dining options currently available. Once you add preferences, these will show up on the My Day tab. This is good for people that are first timers going to Disneyland or people who just do not like planning. Also on the home feed will be the virtual queue shortcut to join certain high demand attractions that may not have a standby option. At certain times of the day, guests can attempt to get a virtual queue. You definitely want to do some research ahead of time for more updates on virtual queue times and attractions. All right, the next part of the app we're going to go over is the map icon at the bottom. This is going to be very helpful while in the parks. This is going to have your real-time wait times for attractions, dining locations, entertainment locations and times, character spots, shopping, guest services, etc. And the map also has a list view option. In addition, there are different filters for each of the categories above. By clicking on the different attraction icons, you can get more information such as ride requirements, accessibility, the option to book a lightning lane if applicable. Same thing with the dining options. The icon's going to provide more information on the restaurant, the menu, and whether it has the mobile ordering option. The entertainment icons are also going to have the locations and updated showtimes. This will also have current updated information on ride closures or canceled entertainment as well. These map features of the app are some of the most used during your visit. The Center Plus action icon has the tabs to check for or make Disneyland dining reservations, mobile ordering, shopping mobile checkout, an option to link photo passes, ticket shortcuts, park reservations, or to book another lightning lane. Currently, park reservations are needed at Disneyland. So once you've booked your ticket, be sure to make a reservation, creating a dining reservation using the app. In order to check for dining availability or create a reservation, simply hit the plus action tab in the middle, check dining availability, select your party size, the date. Next, you're going to select the time in which you want to dine. Now there's a list of all the potential restaurants that you can choose from and the time for your reservations. You also can click on the different restaurants to find more information about the menu, walk-up lists, where they are on a map, etc. In addition, you have some filter options. You can choose from the locations, the different cuisine, table service or walk-up, or the price range. The search tab is generally for help, frequently asked questions, information, how to find something specific about Disneyland or the app. If you cannot find what you're looking at in the app, then you definitely want to check out this feature. The bottom right 3-line menu tab is going to be more shortcuts to tickets, reservations, photo pass, notification options, etc. There is also another shortcut to mobile ordering. In addition, the menu tab also has your lightning lane options for purchase or to book, cancel, or modify an existing one. As you continue to scroll down, you're going to see many other app shortcuts such as PhotoPass downloads, park hours, Genie access, Magic Band Plus information, and your profile information. Your profile information is very important as it has much of your personal information and credit card management for payments using the app. The profile is also where you're going to add other members of your party for planning purposes. At the very bottom are help and feedback options, including the chat feature. Also, this is where you will log out of your account if you need to. Mobile ordering provides a window time for arrival to pick up your prepared food. Basically, you prepay, then you're going to arrive during your arrival time. Click I'm here, prepare my order. Then you'll be able to pick up your order. Only certain restaurants have this option for mobile ordering. So overall, the Disneyland app has everything you need to manage and enhance your trip to Disneyland Resort. If you enjoyed this video, I have other Disneyland planning videos that I will link to the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.